Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2012 Jeep Grand Cherokee Laredo 4-wheel drive, stock number B9037A. Only 47,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Grand Cherokee brand new, brilliant black in color. After our thorough inspection, it does qualify for our certified used vehicle program, giving you a 3-month, 3,000-mile powertrain warranty, which also includes emergency roadside assistance, towing, rental reimbursement, and trip interruption service, all available nationwide. Grand Cherokee is a very safe vehicle. It's an Insurance Institute of Highway Safety's top safety pick. Seats 5 with a leather interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Hitch and wiring. Lots of cargo space in the rear. Hooks on both sides, perfect for keeping plastic grocery bags secure. With additional underfloor storage with removable bins for easy cleaning. Speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Laredo has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Oversized panoramic moonroof. Push button start. Large, easy to read gauges. With driver information system. Again, only 47,000 miles. Cruise control. 6.5-inch touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. This radio also has a 28 gig hard drive. Simply put a CD in, burn it to your hard drive, never have to carry it along again. You can also upload through the USB connection. Very easy to manage your music from there. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. 5-speed automatic transmission with electronic range select. And lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with the owner's manual. Auto dimming mirror. Home link transmitter for garage door opener. Power moonroof and sunshade control. Under the hood, this Grand Cherokee is a 3.6 liter V6, 290 horsepower. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 16 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 23 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com or text SCB9037A to 66245.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.